Greetings and welcome to Slacker Hockey Vehicle Repair. As most of you know, my vehicle was hit, and the damage was such that the hatch could not be opened and closed again. Unfortunately, due to the fact that my vehicle is not worth anything, it was totaled, but Scott decided that he, with some help from a chain and a bunch of tools and some crazy techniques, could repair it. So check it out. Thanks to Amanda for doing the video here. Ignore Dale, he's wrong. Scott doesn't believe Dale. Scott is satisfied.
That came out a lot. I didn't know what the lip could be.
It's a good thing you stopped listening to Dale.
Yeah, I was like, what? I was like, I hit that thing hard.
The physics on this is so good. Okay, Dale. You got like 15 seconds. Dale, point the light here and yell a little bit. You're like, I like yelling.
I do like yelling, actually. I consider myself very good at it. Yeah. Leverage is your friend. Probably better to let me hurt myself by myself to add somebody else into the equation.
Look at that. That's like, that is excellent. The fact that they're using Trump's Tommy Stumper for this, meaning the person.
Yes, they were using their giant sledgehammer, which is known as
I don't know, I'll just
Trump's commie stumper. Dale likes to name things.
You know, it's gonna be sad. If I make a video of this, we'll have more people watch this than they will watch the hockey video for that reason.
Yeah.
Watch out, in case this pops. I'm
Shield
gonna go flying that way.
So you're saying right here, Amanda, stand behind you.
Everything worked out fine. It was safe.
I don't think he's bending the crowbar.
I see a very slight bending.
There's supposed to be a very slight bend.
Here we have Trump's commie stumper in operation again.
Definitely gotta get its due.
So Scott told us he was going to injure himself doing
I
this,
feel like
and
we've gone as far as we can go.
of course he did.
Oh, yeah, that started moving in the right direction.
Notice the blood on his hand, on his right hand. Get a close up here in a minute.
I'm actually kind of impressed at how this turned out.
Yeah. We insisted on getting a photo of Scott's hand. And there's Trump's commie stumper. Dale was very proud of it. Oh yeah. Very distinguished handwriting there too, Dale. Reattaching.
Sorry about that.
Well, these gloves, you can back yourself pretty good.
Yeah, too bad you weren't wearing them when you were doing something dangerous. Well, something more dangerous.
That went straight in. Unbelievable. I mean, yeah, I know.
Bam.
Well, that definitely moved in exactly the right way.
All the teeth burning off.
So because of it taking all of us to actually mount the hatch, I don't have video of that happening, but as you can see, it went on quite nicely. Scott did an awesome job, and even though Scott is very insistent he doesn't do body work, he's very good at rigging things, clearly. If you ever need any mobile automotive programming, I picked up Scott's business card off the ground when he wasn't looking. So, Slacker Hockey's first advertising. Yeah. I'll see y'all out there.